How do you make money have more meaning, more positive impact? Because this is tougher than negotiating for a sustainable peace treaty. You've got to accept different views, common ground, values, relationships. So it's really easy to see value disappear, needs neglected, money mayhem, cash grabs. But with progressive workshops, you manage relationships, partners, connections that gets value to stick, needs noticed, gives money impact. So let me ask you this: what framework, what solution are you using in your workplace that connects one to many, helps value reach its full potential? Because this is critical for your success, for today's commerce, tomorrow's customers, for your money. Check out Tactual Adroit Buy-in for more insights, and remember, always make sure commercial choices can stay really, really flexible, which is the second critical rule for keeping procurement in flow.